Hello everybody, I'm Dutch, and I'd like to show off my new ringworm. And as you see here, it's like many of the other, like the hookworm, only what we've done here is we added this nice, it's still lightweight, but it is a great place to grab it. Because one of the problems when we make all these parts so tiny is when you hold the part, you can't really function the part. So this makes it so that you can still hold the part and still connect it. So it contains a hook, there's a loop, and also this appendage, and that's what you wrap it underneath. So to show how it works, we put the hook onto a 3/32 shock cord. It comes spliced onto either zing it, lash it, or reflect it. In which case you're going to get 6-foot line. You got a loop on one end, that's for your stake, and all you do is hook it onto the shock cord, you get it tight, and then you can easily cinch it underneath the appendage there. So the harder this pulls, the more that gets sucked up into there, but yet it's still really easy to pull that out. Let me show you that again. Just stick it in there, it can't come out, and it's super easy to undo. So the real beautiful part about this is, although it's big enough to hold, it still only weighs, it's about a half gram for the hardware only. We're going to be offering these as hardware only, or you can get it with the shock cord loop and the hardware, or you can also get it spliced on. All right, everybody, as you can see here on an actual tarp, I have the continuous loop on the tarp, so you can either keep, as I do here, it spliced onto a stake, or you can keep it attached to the stake and just use the loop around the stake. It's up to your preference. It clicks onto here, so it will stay on if you need it to stay on. But all you do is you tension the tarp to where you got it. You got the perfect hold spot, and you pull it up under there. What you'll see here is if this pulls harder, the harder it pulls, the more it gets sucked up into there. But yet, it's still really easy to get out if you just pull this line. Let's try that again. Get it tight, and you stick it in there. Now, if it pulls this line hard, see how it pulled that up even tighter into there. So the harder the wind's blowing, the more this is going to hold. But yet, when you want to get it out, it's real easy to pull out. Thank you, everybody.